In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your time totals. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Analyze. From the drop-down menu, select Totals. You should arrive at a list of your totals. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you're looking at the correct day or date range. Right now I'm looking at December 25th. To change the date, you can use the forward or backward arrows or click on the calendar icon. I'm going to go forward a month and look at the first full week of January. Next, I don't want to view just one day, so I'm going to click this arrow. I could choose to view a day, week, pay period, or range. I'm going to choose week, and now I'm viewing 1 week's worth of time totals. Right now, I am viewing this by entry hours. If I click the arrow, I could choose calculated hours. In this case, I use entry hours more, so I'm going to leave it on that. Right now, I'm viewing my time information by project or task. You can see in the grouping that it's by the project and task code. If I want, I can change that to something else. If I click the arrow next to project or task, I can choose to view this information just by project, by both project and task, by activity, by day, by location, or by employee. I'm going to choose to view this by employee. Now, under grouping, I can see the employee's name. I can see any leave hours they were granted during this week, their paid hours for the week, any billable hours, the regular hours, and their total hours. If I scroll all the way to the bottom, the final line is the total for everyone. That's how you can view your time totals. Check out the next video to learn how to view time head counts.